wave them high. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue.
Hi everyone, welcome to Red Elephant Art Club. I'm Linda, and we're going to have a really fun project today. And been inspired by this book called Dinosaurs Love Underpants. A really fun, cute book. I know you guys will love it. We are going to get started here, and I think we don't have very many supplies, but I'll tell you about that in just a minute. Okay, I'm back. All right, so the first supplies this time for this week, you're going to, of course, need some paper, just some mixed media paper, and some oil pastels, especially a black one. And you can either decide if you want the kids to use oil pastels for the entire project, or you can use a black oil pastel to draw the project, and then give them watercolors and just a different selection of different colored watercolors, and you guys can decide. Okay, so as you get those supplies, I will be right back. Okay, welcome back. All right, so you're going to have start with having the paper horizontal like this landscape and a black oil pastel. And we're going to just draw like a big hill, like a big rainbow. It's going to be the dinosaur's back. All right, so we're just going to start over here, maybe a hand length away over here and a hand width away from over there. And we're just going to draw like a big old hump on the dinosaur's back. We're going to draw, what's it called? Brontosaurus, I think. Okay, now I think what we should do is come right up here, and about in the center, maybe, yeah, about the center of this hump here, we're going to draw like a U going this way. All right, like that, and that's his head. We're gonna just come up here and then go over here and connect it to that side. Okay, JJ and Ellie, are you watching? How about you, Benny? I really wanna see your projects when you're done. Okay, now come back up here to the top where you started, and we're gonna go right down to here. Okay, so we're gonna swoop around and go to here. And that's the Brontosaurus long neck. There you go. Okay. Now we're going to do his tail. So it's going to end about right there. We're going to start here, and we're going to swoop around and go to there. Or you can start up here and go like that. That might be easier. Like that. Now we're going to take it from here, and we're going to go to about here. Just like that. All right, now it's time to do his legs, and we're just going to go from here to here. Make sure you can see it from back here to here. Okay. Then put a dot going straightly over to here. This is going to be his other side of his leg. Now we're going to do the same thing over here on the other side. We're going to go straight down to here. Then we're going to come over here, put a dot, and we're going to go over here. And then we're going to close it. Okay? And then right here, we're just going to make like that. And there we go. We have his body. All right. Now we have this is going to be another folk art. So if, I'm not sure if you have this samples, I think I've given them to you before, but if you have this, you can give the children some ideas how to decorate their dinosaurs, all right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I'm gonna do mine, all right? So you can go ahead and just follow mine, or let the kids decorate it any way they want. Okay, so I'm gonna come up here, and I'm just going to make a flower up here at the top. Okay, like that. I think I'll make another thing like this. All right, and then I'm going to make like some teardrops in the middle of my flowers. And then I think I'm going to make a curvy thing going across this body. Then one other one underneath it so I can color it in. think I'm going to make some more teardrops going down like this. Like I said, you don't have to do it like I'm doing. You can decorate any way you want. Make some triangles here. And then maybe dots in between. Here we go. All right. And up here on the top of his tail, I'm just going to make this like lacy kind of eyelet looking with dots in the middle. There you go. All right, and let's put his eyes up here in his mouth. I'll just make a little U like this with some eyelashes and a big smile on his face, a happy dinosaur. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing kind of over here on this side. There we go. Then I'm going to do one inside each one of these. There we go, like that. All right, and let's see. I think I will put his like toenails down here, like that. And then I'm going to add a flower. I'm sure the kids will come up with all sorts of fun designs, and I'd love to be able to see them all. There we go. All right, then we just kind of want to decorate around the outside of the drawing as well. Some flowers going up around here. However they want to do it is fine. All right. All right. I think you get the idea. So here's mine. All right. So now I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to color mine. And I don't normally use oil pastels, but I think I'm going to try that this time. And you guys either can get your watercolors out, or you have the kids use their oil pastels, or you can let them choose. All right. But when I'm done, I'll be right back to show you how mine turned out. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, everyone, I finished coloring mine, and some of the things I found is it smears pretty easy, so the children might have a little bit of trouble with that. And then I decided, because of that, and because it takes a lot longer to color than it does to do watercolors, I just decided to do my background just in watercolor, and then it flows so much easier and it's so much faster. Just FYI on that, because if you decide to use the oil pastels, it will probably take the children a little longer to do this project, but it's still an opportunity for them using a different type of media that we haven't really used much in the past. So maybe you want to do it like I'm doing and do it like a mix, have them use both oil pastels and watercolors. That might be another option. But I'm almost done with mine. This watercolors go on so super fast that I'll be done with this in a minute. And so I'll get back with you as soon as I'm finished. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm done. So anyway, this is what it looks like a mixed media with oil pastels and watercolor. And this one I did just real fast. This is just all with watercolor. So you guys can decide. So, all right, you guys, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Make a comment down below and subscribe. Please make sure that the children all sign their artwork down here at the right-hand corner, because I want to know who did their work, and they should be proud to write their name on their artwork. And take a picture so I can post it on Etsy. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, bye-bye.